Welcome to Shears Barton House, a beautiful 6-bedroom detached farmhouse, but it's not all about the bedrooms here, it's actually all about the ground floor accommodation. Beautiful south-facing rooms with lovely views over farmland and its own 1 3/4 acre gardens, and a beautiful deck area here for al fresco dining. The delightful 1 3/4 acre gardens are a lovely mix of informal lawns, planting and shrubbery. I find me here in the undercover built-in barbecue area with a granite table, ideal for outside dining. Find us in the formal dining room with an impressive stone fireplace, and this opens beautifully into a sunroom or garden room, depending on how you want to call it, which has beautiful 180-degree views over its own garden to the countryside and farmland beyond. All of the ground floor reception rooms enjoy that southerly aspect with the light flooding in, well worthy of a viewing. One of the key selling features for Shears Barton is this massive barn here. It looks like a garage, but it goes back a long way. It's actually a barn with a first floor level. A great opportunity for commercial enterprise, work from home, storing of classic cars or furniture. A really brilliant selling point.